Today let's try to understand most commonly used techniques to calculate estimation. Very first is expert judgment. Here what we do, we have a conversation, or we can say we have a discussion with experienced team member or subject matter expert who can give us the idea, like who have worked on the previous project which is similar to the current project. They can give you the idea, like for previous project we have spent like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So for this particular or this current project, it might possible that we may spend 3 or 4 weeks. So here we simply based on the experience, we estimate the entire thing. Another technique is like analog estimation. Here what we do, we compare the previous similar project. We use the historical data. For example, let's say today we receive one loyalty program project, and it might possible that last year also we work on reward points or some loyalty sort of software. So what we do, we simply dig into the historical data. We simply see that how much time we spent to complete this particular project, and we estimate the time for the current project. Next one is like 3 point estimation. It is also known as a PERT. Mostly it is called as a more accurate method to calculate the estimation. Here we mostly use three values, that is optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. Optimistic is nothing but indicated by O, and it is nothing but a best case scenario. Most likely is indicated by M, and it is mostly realistic scenario. And pessimistic is indicated by M, and it is a worst case scenario. The formula to calculate estimation is like optimistic plus 4 into most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. Another technique is like a planning poker. This technique is mostly used in a scrum team. Here what we do, we simply calculate the estimation based on the story point, and here we also do the group discussion. Another technique is like a work breakdown structure, sorry. So here mostly we break down the project into the smaller part and estimate each task. For example, let's say we simply estimate like design will take 5 hours, development will take 10 hours, and testing will take 4 hours. So entire project will take around 19 to 20 hours. Another technique is named as like called as functional point analysis. It is also called as a use case point estimation. Here this technique is mostly used for a complex software development. Here we simply assign a numeric